residents from streaming to the municipal grounds to listen to the NRM presidential candidate Museveni, who was holding the second leg of campaign rallies in Sabine sub-region. The president arrived at the municipal grounds at about 2 p.m. with Kenya's Deputy President William Ruto in the same car amid his cheers from the people. He was welcomed by district leaders and later adorned with leaves to signify blessings by the elders who wished him good luck in the campaign. President Museveni then invited Ruto to address the people. The Kenyan Deputy President is making his second visit to Uganda since October, where he was fast for 3 days. Ruto, whose home is in Eldoret across the border with Sabine land, came with a delegation of other Kenyan leaders. Ruto, who spoke the same dialect with the Sabine, then took the campaign podium and urged the voters here to stick with President Museveni because he's the one who would guarantee their future and social advancement. He then switched to English and repeated the same message, this time targeting the youth. The Kenyan Deputy President told the young people that they have a long future ahead and should not vote for someone who would ruin it.
Young people must be at the forefront to vote for leadership that will guarantee peace and stability so that we can build our economy, expand opportunities for young people so that we can eliminate poverty and create jobs.
Ironically, earlier when addressing a joint press conference with President Museveni at Kapchorwa State Lodge, Ruto said he had not come to campaign for President Museveni.
I think President Museveni has been campaigning in Uganda for a very long time. And he has sufficient experience. And he has sufficient knowledge. I do not think he requires the support of Kenyans to campaign for him to be elected by the people of Uganda. So I think we better focus on the things that are important. The decision as to who is elected in Uganda is for the people of Uganda to decide.
Therefore, when Deputy President Ruto comes here, he is supporting the ideology of the NRM, which is nationalism in Uganda and Pan-Africanism in Africa.
Addressing his first campaign rally in Kapchorwa, President Museveni listed his government's achievements and pledged to consolidate them and do more if re-elected for the 5th term.
Now, in the last few years, we have constructed the Gamogo Gravity Flow Scheme. FEMA Gravity Flow Scheme.
He then stressed that the NRM government would resolve the land question that has caused conflict between the people of Bugisu and the Sabine.
I don't know why the Minister of Land has taken long, but I will talk to the Prime Minister tonight to make sure that he himself comes with that team and they show you the border, because there is nothing to discuss. The border is there. It is simply the surveyors to show you that border. I don't know why it should take so much time.
The president then headed to campaign in Bugisu sub-region with rallies in Bulambuli and Sironko districts. For the people of Sabine region, the presence of William Ruto, the Deputy President of